Will rebuilding the PS4 database fix any software issues or errors?
Hello, gaming enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a common question among PlayStation 4 owners. Will rebuilding the PS4 database fix any software issues or errors? This is a vital discussion as smooth gameplay hinges on the efficient operation of your console. So, let's dive in.
What does rebuilding the PS4 database mean?
First things first, let's understand what rebuilding the PS4 database actually means. This operation is similar to defragging a computer or doing a factory reset on a smartphone. It reorganizes the files and data on your PS4, cleaning up any clutter and improving the system's overall performance. Rebuilding the database does not delete any data from your PS4. It only reorganizes and optimizes the files, so there's no need to worry about losing any of your saved games or settings.
Can rebuilding the PS4 database solve software issues?
Now, to the big question. Can rebuilding the database solve software issues? The short answer is, yes, it often can. Rebuilding the PS4 database can help with many common software issues, such as slow loading times, game crashes, and even system lag. By optimizing your files and data, the PS4 can run smoother and faster, often solving these types of problems. However, it's important to note that not all software issues are due to disorganized data. Some errors might be caused by deeper system malfunctions or hardware issues, and rebuilding the database may not resolve these.
When should you rebuild the PS4 database?
So, when should you consider rebuilding your PS4 database? It's generally recommended to do this if you're experiencing performance issues such as lagging, crashing, or slow loading times. Rebuilding the database can also be beneficial if your PS4 hard drive is very full, or if you've just installed a new one. Also, it's not harmful to rebuild your database periodically, even if you're not experiencing any issues. Think of it as a regular tune-up for your PS4. Doing this every few months can keep your system running smoothly. In conclusion, rebuilding your PS4 database can indeed fix many common software issues, enhancing your gaming experience. While it's not a panacea for all issues, it's a good first step to take when troubleshooting problems with your console. Happy gaming, and may your PS4 always perform at its best.